Attention! PSA! Nor'easters are created from cold winds in the north, mixed with warm winds in the south, in a way that creates a sudden blizzard difficult to prepare for. These blizzards produce high winds, blinding precipitation, power failure, deaths and injuries, as well as high dollar damages. With the biggest death factor for blizzards being stranded in cars, we propose a system of previously set up domes located near highway exits. We feel being proactive in this situation will prevent a significant majority of injuries and deaths. Our domes are self-sustainable through the use of fiberglass panels, which are durable, weather-resistant, and creates insulation. It also uses solar panels, allowing power throughout the domes. Construction of our dome is a frameless structure consisting of aerospace composite panels. It has the strength of a standard building, but the mobility of a tent. One dome can be assembled by 2 people in less than 4 hours with only a screwdriver, wrench, and a stepladder. When unassembled, the domes can fit into the back of a pickup truck and can easily be transported. It can be repeatedly taken down and reassembled while retaining its structural integrity for over 30 years. Our domes are approximately 400 square feet, costing $12,500, and takes on the shape of JFK Airport. In natural disasters, people already feel out of place, but by representing a historic landmark, a sense of comfort is brought back. Our shape was also influenced by the need for a curved roof for snow to slide down, but also creates a shorter ceiling height as you reach more personal spaces. For the interior of our domes, power, furniture, and waste are addressed through add-on packages such as a solar kit, which costs $3,195, the interior furniture kit, which includes a large kitchen cabinet, 2 queen-size Murphy beds that double as couches, as well as storage, and includes a coffee and dining room table. This furniture kit costs $1,995. Our domes also provide a self-composting toilet. On top of our modern conveniences in our domes, warmth as well as elements of homeliness are key to comfort and security. The government will take steps in providing these safe and secure domes before a major disaster hits. Funds will come from raised taxes on years of storms and will be set up within 48 hours of the predicted blizzard as a safety precaution in the event of an emergency. Thank you. We now return you to your regularly scheduled program.